Hi guys! I want to discuss a topic that affects all of us, whether we actually realise it or not. CPI, Consumer Price Index, or inflation. I always ask my clients during our meetings, do you understand CPI and inflation, how it may affect you? The reaction's usually always the same. It's okay. I'm here to guide you through some of these financial hurdles that we all face. Let me introduce you to Raymond. Raymond is 49 years old, works as a project scheduler, and wants to retire in 10 years' time, so he's slowly starting to think about his retirement planning. Raymond, let's find out how CPI affects you. The cost of basic necessities like milk, transport, education, etc., on average goes up approximately 2% a year. In other words, your $1 coin loses its value by 2 cents each year. It might have bought you 100 grapes last year, but this year, you're down to 98 grapes. So how do we keep ahead of the effects of CPI and inflation? Well, number one, your salary. If Raymond hasn't had a pay rise in a while, his salary is actually going backwards. It might be time for him to ask for a pay rise during his next employee review. You're worth it. Number two, relook at your insurance policies. Your personal insurance cover premiums usually go up by CPI every year. Get a GoldTree Wealth Advisor to do a full insurance analysis on you, to find the most competitive package out there and to see if the one that you have is appropriate for you. Now, this is the big one. Number three, your retirement. Raymond wants his net retirement assets to generate an income of $50,000 per annum for both him and his wife. Currently, he and his wife have $700,000 in retirement assets. If his retirement assets generate at least 5% in income and growth, in today's dollars, he will need $1 million in retirement assets. So he really needs to save up an additional $300,000 in the next 10 years to meet his $1 million goal. Right? Wrong. Raymond needs $1 million in today's dollars. CPI will affect this amount over the next 10 years. Sure, Raymond and his wife might have a comfortable lifestyle living on $50,000 today, but in 10 years' time, it won't buy him as many grapes as he can now, if you know what I mean. $50,000 will be more like $63,412 in 10 years' time. How much net assets will be needed in order to generate this income? Well, Raymond, it's not $1 million. It's actually $1,268,000. Raymond is actually $568,000 short, not the $300,000 like he initially thought. So what does he do now? Talk to a GoldTree Wealth Advisor. We will help you bridge that gap. Connect with us today.